The respondent has withdrawn 3 crore 15 lakhs in the span of 1 year, all supported by bank statements. I have all the documents with me. I'm paying 1,35,000 rupees towards rent every month, 1 lakh towards educational expenses every month. Over and above, my salary is 3.9 take home salary. The bond that the children have with the father, what is being portrayed before court is that I am some monster who beats up my own children. My children don't want to see my face. Lord, for once, Lord, I have no submissions to make except if my Lord permits me. There's a video of about 70 seconds, if your Lordship would kindly. The children, how they interacted with the father on the minute they saw the father. I have no arguments to address.
Take it, we'll take it from you that it went on well.
Extremely well. But the children, they cry when the father has to leave. Despite seeing him after a year and a half, December 2022 was the last interaction.
What was the order last time?
My Lord, I have a small submission, my Lord. My Lord, the matter may be taken up this Friday because the senior counsel who's appearing the matter is held up before the double bench in this particular court hall, Your Honor.
Instructions are this, my Lord. The respondent has withdrawn 3 crore 15 lakhs in the span of 1 year, all supported by bank statements. My Lord, I have all the documents with me. Notwithstanding, the father is paying 12 lakhs, my Lord, per annum towards school fees alone for both the children, apart from 1,35,000 rupees per month towards the respondent's
12 crores per annum to the school fees.
12 lakhs.
12 lakhs.
12 lakhs. For both 7.5 lakhs for the son, 4.5 lakhs for the daughter. School fees being paid. 1,35,000 rupees per month is the rent that's being paid towards the respondent of the children's residence.
No, that is done. Then what about the
I will make the statement, my Lord.
My Lord, the matter may be taken up this Friday as such.
No order adverse to your will not be passed. So please wait, please see. Nothing, no order will be passed. Yes.
No, may I make this?
Yes.
If it appeals to the court, my Lord, about 15 to 20,000 rupees per month, I will pay over and above what I'm already paying.
15
or 20,000 rupees per month, not over. I'm paying 1,35,000 rupees towards rent every month, 1 lakh towards educational expenses every month. Over and above, my salary is 3.9 take home salary. I'm taking a rented place myself.
What is the rent of your place?
65,000. I'm staying in a 3-bedroom apartment, 65,000 rupees. I will place all the documents on record.
Well,
but I have not.
My Lord, we will place our reply to the same answer.
Okay. No orders will be passed.
May I make one request, Lord? No, I understand.
I'm only trying to understand so that some interim arrangement before passing a final order. Some amount he'll pay. That's what I'm just asking him. So no order will be passed. 15
to 20,000 rupees a month, my Lord. Pending decision on further decision. Lord, I'm paying close to about 2,35,000 rupees a month is what I'm already paying. And she had, Lord, bank statement 3 crore 15 lakh rupees. 44,000 rupees comes as interest to a joint FD that's already frozen by the bank. Apart from that, my Lord, I have bank statements that the affidavit of assets and liabilities filed by the wife before the domestic violence court. 24 lakhs she has received, my Lord, in a span of 12 months. Her own bank statement.
Lord, we'll be able to show, my Lord, that it is my own money which I had loaned, which he has returned. We will be able to show.
So it's not a person without means. 3 crore 15 lakh rupees.
Question is not person about means, my Lord. There is, as he says, my Lord, there may be money in my account in fixed deposit in the name of kept for the children, my Lord. But he has to give something at least on monthly to monthly basis, my Lord. But he wanted to meet the children.
He says he is paying 2.5 lakhs per month.
To whom?
1.5 lakh for the rent.
135, yes.
175 for the
135.
rent. No, what he was saying, that's
Okay.
what. Now we have to see what is his the salary or what is his income.
Yes.
And now he's paying and 12 lakhs per annum to the children.
Before there was any dispute between the
No, 12 lakhs towards the school fees.
No,
So
not
that is
12
1
lakhs.
lakh.
It's
12
not
lakhs.
exactly 12 lakhs, my Lord.
Not 12 lakhs.
They may produce the documents.
I have receipts. Here.
That clearly shows he's a man of means, my Lord. He's saying, I have only 3 lakh rupees per monthly salary.
No, let
Can
him
he,
pay.
my Lord, sustain with this?
Fees nobody can generate.
No,
What they have
he may not be
he can-
generating that. What I'm saying
If
is,
it is no, what I'm saying is 1 lakh on that and 1.75 or 1.35 for the rent. So as of now, he's paying 2.35. The court is not suggesting that because he's paying that he need not pay the maintenance.
Correct.
So he's paying 2.35. So for pay his income should be somewhere around 5 lakhs at
According
least.
to us, it's about 8 to 10
Ah,
lakhs.
Then only you can ask something else to be. So what is the material placed before the trial court
We'll show that.
with regard to that?
We'll show that.
So basing on that, we will.
We'll show that. And he himself has made an admission there that he's depositing in the children's name 1.5 lakh rupees per month for their college education. Today, what will happen? They don't have anything to eat. Why doesn't he give that?
No, may make this request, Lord.
He's meeting the children every day.
That arrangement came
no,
to an end yesterday. So this
No, no,
week,
we'll continue.
I don't want, Lord, I understand.
We'll continue, sir.
No, my request is this. I stay in Hebal. She stays in near
No,
White.
no, with the expression the senior counsel, Mr. Arun Govindra has thought that it won't happen. Yes.
Lord, my request is this. I stay in Hebal and Lord, she stays in Whitefield. Lord, weekends, if I can go pick up the children on Saturday evening and drop them back on Sunday evening, Lord, for the next 2 weekends, and thereafter the matter could be taken up. So I will also ask him, Lord, how much more he can come up with towards children's maintenance. 2.35, Lord, is not
Suddenly,
disputed.
that bargain can't be.
No, it's not a bargain.
Some parity.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
What is
The
working,
children
let
are
him
missing me. No, if your lordship sees it's a 1 minute video. If your lordship sees that video, your lordship will understand, Lord, the bond that the children have with the father. What is being portrayed before court is that I am some monster who beats up my own children. My children don't want to see my face. They're seeing me after 1.5
So
years.
by this order, you're meeting, the father can meet the children between 7.
Half an hour every day.
The clubhouse or the apartment,
Yes.
then he can meet the children from 4 PM to 6 PM in
Weekend.
the clubhouse on, that is on the weekend.
Weekend.
No, let it
No.
continue for another week.
For one more week.
Then
I come all the way not from. At least I could get.
No, but you're having, see, 2 weeks,
Yes.
2 hours. No, day to day, if you don't want, okay, then that
Can we
week,
increase my Saturday,
No, no.
Sunday? At least I have holidays.
No, no,
instead of
what
traveling
you
every
do,
day.
instead of
Four
every
hours on
day,
Saturday, Sunday.
4 hours on Saturday.
every day, then the weekend will increase it.
4 hours on Saturday, Sunday. Mother is
4 hours on Saturday, Sunday means each.
2 hours or 4
Four-
hours.
3 to 7 Saturday, 3 to 7 Sunday. That's
Hmm.
all.
But this Saturday she has the birthday.
3 to 7.
Okay, wait.
But the lordship's order specifies that the mother should not be around.
She was not there.
Yes, she was not there. She was not.
Then why?
No,
That's what
Let
it
the
is.
continues on that.
No, when it is happening, this is what.
Sorry, I apologize. My apologies.
31/7/2024, this court passed an order whereby permitting the father to exercise the visitation rights and also ask the father to come out with the maintenance that he'll pay to the wife and the children. Today, when the matter came up, and then counsel for the petitioner submits that the visitation went on very well and he had good time with the children. When it comes to the maintenance, it is stated that per month he is spending an amount of rupees
2,35,000.
35,000 towards the rent and also towards the educational expenses of the children. His salary is
3.9 lakhs per month is take home salary.
0.9 lakhs per month.
Yes.
And it is submitted that she, over a period of 1 year, she has withdrawn an amount of rupees
3 crores 15 lakhs.
3 crores 15 lakhs. 15 lakhs. And it is submitted that he'll be able to pay another 20,000. Next, senior counsel appearing for the respondent pipe submits that, in fact, his salary is
Not between 8 to 10 lakhs.
between 8 to 9 lakhs. And the very same arrangement, when all of them were together and paying the school fees and the rent, when he was able to maintain, now why he is not able to maintain, nothing has been stated. And he stated that they will place on record all the documents to show that what is the income of the father. Considering all this court is passing the following order. 1, the father can meet the children on Saturday and Sunday between 3 to 7 in the clubhouse. Saturday and Sunday, that is 10th and 11th of August. Number 2, at the time of exercising the visitation, the mother should not be present and both the parties, the father and the mother, shall not create any kind of disturbance and shall see that the visitation goes on smoothly. Any kind of disturbance from either of the parties will be viewed seriously by the court. By post this matter on 21st of August.
There's a matter in Delhi.
The other weekend also, my lord, 17th and 18th. There's one more Saturday, Sunday.
21st of August,
Milord, 21st, there is a problem, Milord. Can it be
22nd,
22nd?
post on 22nd of August. Then one more Saturday, Sunday is coming on 17th and 18th.
18th.
That also you add. And by that time, by 14th of August, the the wife shall file all the documents pertaining to the, and file pertaining to the husband's income and all, and a copy shall be served on the council, and by the date of hearing, if any objections, the same shall be filed